Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sonja, and in today's video I will be cleaning and decorating. Today I'm focusing on my kitchen area and I will be decorating with lemons, and I had so much fun creating this video, and I hope this video leaves you with tons of motivation to clean your house as well as some inspiration to decorate your house. So let's get started. When I decorate for the seasons, I like the area I am decorating to get a good cleaning. So in this case, it is the kitchen, and besides cleaning the dishes, I also like to take everything off the counter and give everything a good polish. Then I will start my decorating. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you can consider subscribing. I do a lot of decorating on my channel as well as cleaning motivation. So if you are into that type of content, I hope you consider joining me in my YouTube journey, and go ahead and press that red subscribe button before you forget. Here is an overview of my kitchen, and I left the staples on a counter and removed everything else.
Don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat.
Now I will wipe my countertops, and I am using Method in Tangerine Scent. Let me know if you have a favorite scent for cleaning your kitchen.
Nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
Here are some of the things I have removed. I have already decorated my 2-tier tray before that I created a different video, so that will just go back into the corner. And here are some of the other things that I will be redecorating as well as some fresh fruit. So before I get started on decorating, I like to put on some inspiring scent, and I'm running out of candles. So I found this one in my daughter's room. I don't know how long she's had it, but I thought it was perfect for this decorating video as well as for my kitchen.
should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, say you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, say you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by nine. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. Just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all, this or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better, oh, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change.
I had so much fun decorating my kitchen with lemons because they make me feel so happy. I did use some lemons last year and I wasn't sure if I was going to use them again this year, but I am definitely needing the cheerfulness and brightness that they bring into my house and as well as into my kitchen that's fairly dark to begin with. I hope I had given you some cleaning as well as decorating inspiration, and like I said, if you're stopping by for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing, and those of you returning, thank you so much for my continuing support, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.